Dev. I don't know who got the launch button.
I still have it.
That's funny.
This is the deck where they ran their snipers, the Gauss snipers, and LRMs with narcs.
This particular map?
So, no, it was on Canyon, so they're probably not going to try it, but just watch out for it. We need to identify it early on if that's the case.
Guys, it will be a little bit weird getting up this hill.
Where are we going?
Charlie 4.
Online. Sensors
Left.
online.
Yeah, Winston, you
Weapons
actually don't need to go up the
online.
hill, you can go through the water.
We're through the tunnel.
All systems.
I was saying,
No, he's coming.
walk up.
Harder to walk up than go through the
We'll
water.
follow the coastline and then just go right into C4.
We're going Charlie 4 straight into Delta 4.
Do you want to rally first, or you want to just push as hard as we can?
We're going to need to get some weight up there, so guys get into Delta 4 as quickly as possible.
Target
We should be
acquired.
arriving at about the same time.
They're already there.
Yep.
New target acquired.
Oh crap, here comes a lot of LRMs, guys.
Got some PPC fired.
They have Gauss.
Yep, push it.
Keep pushing Delta 4. Bravo Hunchback should be inside shortly.
AMS ammo at 25%. UAV activated. AMS ammo depleted.
There's a
Alpha?
Jaeger right there.
Alpha Jaeger, primary. Keep moving, shoot him as you go by. Left torso's open.
He's a standard engine.
New target acquired.
Bravo Hunchback's a good secondary.
Teleport.
New target.
Damn it. Die.
Stick to cover, guys.
New target acquired.
Don't let the missiles hit you.
Oh, they're raining on my building.
Alpha, stick.
On the water.
New target
They're all, a
acquired.
lot of them are in D3.
Yeah, still a couple in close in Echo 4 here. Bravo Hunchback's coming around the left.
New target acquired. UAV deactivated.
They pushed way back into the water.
We have the backs on a couple of them. Push Delta 3, guys. Push
New
Delta 3.
target acquired.
Roger.
They're running. Alpha Jaeger's running. Bravo Hunchback is running.
Incoming missile. New target acquired.
Almost go through the citadel and hit them.
Oh, looks like I pushed alone. I'm going down.
Oh shit.
Alpha's down.
Alpha's down.
Target acquired.
I'm down.
Ah!
Warning, incoming missile. Also critical damage. Warning, incoming missile.
We should push right, get underneath the thing where they can't shoot LRMs at us.
Yeah, come around the Charlie 3 side.
I'm on it.
I agree.
New target
Following.
acquired.
You're also narked, Logic.
New target
Yeah, right.
acquired.
Bravo, Bravo.
Contact. Bravo.
New target acquired. Left torso destroyed.
Or Delta.
Left arm destroyed.
ER large lasers, guys.
Bravo's on his last legs. Hunchy, take him down.
Haji's down.
The guy, Bravo's right against the building.
Yeah, ignore
Bad.
cancel primary.
That's a Gulf Battlemaster.
Not seeing any targets from anyone. They're
It
definitely
looks
around
like
the
they're
Delta
behind the
3 corner.
citadel. They're behind the
Yeah,
citadel
I've
in
got
D3.
seismic on Delta 3.
Yeah, they're all out in the water. Mostly.
Come on, Battlemaster. Show
They're all.
yourself. Oh, sorry, who was there?
They're on the far
Cygnus, you are narked.
Yep, I know. They're just Galson from Delta 2. We'd have to push out.
We got 3 left. This is it.
Yep.
We're done. Move.
Warning. Missile. Warning. Incoming missile.
Yeah, good range, line of fire.
What the hell's that?
Incoming
One behind,
missile.
Charlie 3.
Oh,
Not to make a difference, but
it can never get
Sergeant, at that point, standing around wasn't going to do any good.
Nice.
We were shooting each other. I'm sorry.
what could we have done against that? No, it's okay. What could we have done against that kind of range, guys? Any ideas?
With that dead, it's very hard. We had, you know, we could have lucked out and got a kill early and then forced them into a fight in the building, but that didn't happen. So I think we were pretty much hosed when we didn't get that hunch.
who had the range?
Square did.
I had large lasers, and I think Gallon had some AC. Right?
Spit had the Gauss.
Yeah, I guess, but I can't hit shit with it right now very well.